How to replace the VGA USB board.
Caution! Observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, keyboard, wireless LAN module, hard disk drive, base plate frame, and system board. Removal. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the VGA USB board to the top cover. Carefully lift and slide the VGA USB board out of its compartment and side cutouts in the top cover. Place the VGA USB board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the VGA USB board from its static dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors of the VGA USB board into the cutouts in the side of the top cover, and then lower the board into its compartment and onto alignment pins and screw holes. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the VGA USB board to the top cover. Continue the reassembly. Replace the system board, base plate frame, hard disk drive, wireless LAN module, keyboard, battery, and base enclosure.